Want strangers to open up in seconds? This trick works even better than "How was your day?" People give boring answers because the questions are generic. There is an FBI-style communication method called assumption-based elicitation, and you can use it positively to connect. Instead of asking questions that will bring a flat answer like "How was your day?" try this instead. For example, "You seems like you had a really good day today." You see, it brings an emotional response. It triggers them to respond emotionally, not just think. Instead of boring questions, make educated assumptions, then watch conversation goes even deeper. Try this with 3 strangers today and comment how many opened up.